Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a wood slat. The first part is to run it over to the chop saw and cut it to length. The first thing that is needed to be done is you have to true up your side of the board. And then you flip it around and you set up your blade to 20 inches to what your slat needs to be. And then you have your blank slat that is ready to be ripped. Here you use the jig that is set up so that each chair is the same, and you line that up with the tabletop. And you run that through to make sure that it does not catch. Once you have ripped, you have your blank slat that is ready to be put through the drum sander. Ran it through the drum sander, it takes off the mill slag and it gives you the sand scratches that you need to take your mill slag off. And then you bring it over to the gluing table and you glue the knot so that you have put the glue into your knot. And then you take a putty knife and you just work that glue into your knot. And then once your glue is fine and good and ready to go, you take your spray bottle and you spray it so that the glue hardens. And then once that step is done and ready to go, you head over to the belt sander. And the part of the belt sander is to be able to take off the saw kerf right there that you have and just to do your edges. Done using the belt sander, there is no longer a saw kerf on your board, and then you have to choose which part of the thing you want to be the bottom, and you choose that by which part is the best looking, and that is the top and then your bottom. And then after that you go over to the router table and the sanding table and finish the part. Here you get the router and you route the edges and the corners. When you are done using the router, it takes off any sharp edges that you would have. And then after that step, you get your orbital sander and you take off the straight line scratches, but you don't do the bottom to save time. And then after that, that takes off your sand scratches. And then once that is done, you do your edges with 120 to take off the roughness of the edge. And then when that is done, you have your finished flat product.